The movement we're going to call as a plie squat. So it's basically a squat, but with a straightened spine, and you're going to bending the legs 90 degree. And it's going to challenge the quadricep, hamstring, and your glutes. Hold the bar. Okay. Keep your body straightened like this. Breathe in to stay. Breathe out. Bring the bumps down. Bend your knees. Chin down slightly. Go all the way down to 90 degree. Stop. Breathe in to stay. Now, from the quads and the glutes, exhale, squeeze up and squeeze the bum in the center. Stop. 1. And last one. Breathe in to stay. Breathe out and slowly down. Bend your knees. Chin down slightly. Keep the spine straightened. Good. Inhale to stay. Exhale from the feet. Press up. Engage your quads. Squeeze the glutes and steady.